from Brian in Florida. My wife and I are in our late 40s and have always been max savers. We have reached the point where 4% of our net assets exceeds our annual pay from our jobs, net of what we currently contribute to retirement accounts. So I feel that we are at the point we could both quit our jobs if we wanted to, but we generally like what we do and will probably keep working. We each have $600,000 level term policies that we each pay $60 a month for, and I have a long-term disability policy with a $3,000 monthly benefit that I'm paying $600 a year for, and the cost increases with age. Do you approve of us canceling these policies to put this money back in our lives since we no longer need them for replacement of income? And do you approve of us gradually phasing out our retirement contributions so our pay net of contributions keeps pace with the 4% of net assets so we can start living a little?
So I don't want you to sacrifice all. You're obviously, as you said, max savers, a term I love too, that you have been so careful with money and done so much to save for your future. There's such a thing like there's a financial writer named Alan Roth, who's a brilliant writer, and he wrote a column recently about people who will not spend money and enjoy things. They deprive, and they got plenty of money at that point because they've always done that. So in your case, live a little, just as you said. I would keep the level term insurance policy because you probably had it for a while, and the more you get into it, the better the premiums work for you. It's $720 a year for that. The disability policy, if you're so financially set, you can let go with that. But I would designate if you have charitable organizations that mean a lot to you, you could have that level term policy go to that. If it's a situation where you want the survivor to just really live a lot when you're gone and have that money to go travel the world or do whatever they want to do, you could keep the level term in place. But the disability insurance, you've stated good reasons why even in your late 40s, the disability insurance is no longer essential in your life. And so you could take that money, the $600 a year, and go do something fun with it. I mean, you want to make sure, I always talk about, somebody gets, wins a lottery or wins or gets money from a sad event like an inheritance, that you invest 90% and you use 10% as frivolously as you want. So you have that safety valve. You do something fun with it, but most of the money is put aside for long-term security. Y'all are so set financially, you're good.